Hey, what's going on everybody? Ryan Huggins here, and in this video we're going to be covering the 1 Minute Millionaire, 2 ways to millionize your life. And then we're going to get into a little bit more, $1 a day, a minute at a time. So we're going to go ahead and start off with 2 ways to millionize your life. Hey, what's going on everybody? Ryan Huggins, Win with Ryan, coming to you today. So today, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All you have to do is click that subscribe button and then click the all button so you can see all of our future videos coming up. And also go ahead and click that thumbs up. That would really help us out. So, there are 2 routes for climbing the Millionaire Mountain, the long route and the short route. First, let's take the long route. The long route is the safest and easiest. You can literally become a millionaire by investing as little as $1 a day, $30 a month. Study the following chart. And so what I want to do is show you this chart. Become a millionaire in your lifetime, all it requires is 1, the ability to find investments that yield at least 10% annually after taxes, as in your tax-deferred retirement account, and 2, the discipline to keep up the process year in and year out. The following chart tells the story of what can happen if individuals save $1 a day from the day they were born until they reach the retirement age. And so now we have So yes, you can even become a billionaire on the investment of $1 a day, given enough time and the right interest rate. But this is for the long route. It certainly isn't the way most of us want to make it. We want it fast, and that is definitely possible, as we will show you. But while you are creating rapid wealth, why don't you also take a long route at the same exact time? Put aside $50, $100, $500, as much as you can afford every month from now on. It's simple, it's easy, it can be automatically deducted from your bank account. Then, if you make $1 million the fast way, so much the better. But no matter what happens, you'll still be a millionaire sooner or later. Now, one of the things that I use is to talk about automatic. You can set up automatic generated deposits from your bank account into things like Acorns. I actually use Coinbits. I like the Bitcoin aspect of it, or cryptocurrency. I know that there's gonna be some altcoins that will eventually take over Bitcoin, but the cool thing is Bitcoin is here, it is now. And if you wanted to find out a little bit more about Coinbits, where actually after each week, it takes all of your debits that you've made and it takes your change and rounds it up and deposits it into a Bitcoin account for you. You can literally start investing in Bitcoin with coins, with change. That's very simple. And I'll link the link down in the description down there for Coinbits if you'd like to start that. Also, if you do get started with me on that, you get $5 free Coinbit just to get started. So that's really cool. So now let's talk about $1 a day, a minute at a time. So no matter your present circumstances, here are the 4 steps to your first $1 million. Number 1, decide that it's okay to become a millionaire. Some people believe that the accumulation of wealth is an unworthy goal. Before you begin your journey to become an enlightened millionaire, search your attitudes to make sure that you are willing to create wealth in a way that will support your inner beliefs and values. Number 2, practice imagining yourself enjoying an abundant lifestyle. All great fortune started in someone's imagination. See yourself living in a home of your dreams, enjoying ideal relationships with friends and loved ones, contributing to the world through your own unique talents and abilities. Imagine the fortune that you could create and the good it could do. Believe it will, and you gotta see it, and you will believe it, and it will come true. Number 3, spend less than you earn. But how? Pay yourself first. Deduct 10% off the top of your income and deposit it into your investment account. Convert all your credit cards except one to debit cards so it is impossible for you to go into debt. Then live on whatever is left over. Number 4, invest the difference. Invest your 10% surplus into investments that can earn at least 10%. $1 a day invested at 10% interest becomes $1 million in 56 years. In other words, anyone can become a millionaire by investing only $1 per day. $30 a month. If you want to become a millionaire faster, then invest more money and find ways to make your money grow at a higher return rate. You can become a 1-minute millionaire. It only takes 1 minute to decide it. It only takes 1 minute to visualize it. It only takes 1 minute to save it. It only takes 1 minute to invest it. $1 a day, a minute at a time, you can get there slowly but surely. Now, let's talk about the fast way. And we're going to go ahead and talk about that in our next video, which is choosing your millionaire mountain. What way should you go forward into making and accumulating $1 million the fastest possible way with your potential interest in heart and in mind? So again, that was the 4 ways to become a millionaire 1 minute at a time. 1 is decide that it's okay to become a millionaire. 2, practice imagining yourself enjoying an abundant lifestyle, or they call that affirmations or even meditation, literally just visualizing yourself living out this incredible lifestyle. Number 3, spend less than you earn. Live a frugal lifestyle, And number 4, invest the difference. So that is that. Thank you so very much for watching the channel. I hope you're really enjoying it. We've got another surf video coming your way very shortly too. So let's surf our way into millions of dollars. Thank you so much. Also, don't forget to visit our new website. All you have to do is go to www.allwedoisfreedom, www.allwedoisfreedom.com. All we do is freedom. See you on the beaches of the world.